If you've spent any time on YouTube or TikTok, you've probably heard someone mention the 369 method. Some people call it a manifestation technique. Others call it a mindset exercise. Some even believe it's one of the most powerful daily habits you can develop. But what exactly is it? At its core, the 369 method is a simple writing routine centered around repeating a clear intention at different points during the day. The goal isn't simply to fill a notebook with words. The goal is repetition, focus, and consistency. Think about it. Most people spend their day repeating negative thoughts without realizing it. I'll never get ahead. I don't have enough money. I'm always struggling. When those thoughts are repeated often enough, they begin to shape your expectations and influence your actions. The 369 method encourages you to intentionally replace those automatic thoughts with ones that align with the person you're trying to become. That doesn't magically change reality overnight, but it can change the way you approach reality. And sometimes that's exactly where real change begins. The method has become linked with Nikola Tesla because Tesla famously spoke about the significance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed these numbers reflected important patterns in nature and the universe. Over time, many people connected his fascination with those numbers to this modern writing practice. Whether or not Tesla would have endorsed today's version of the method is unknown, but his appreciation for patterns and disciplined thinking has inspired millions to look at these numbers differently. Now, here's where many people go wrong. They expect instant results. They write for a day, maybe 3 days, then they stop because nothing dramatic happened, but that's missing the entire point. The real power of the method isn't one day, it's consistency. It's showing up every single day and reminding yourself who you're becoming. Imagine training at a gym once, nothing changes. Train consistently for months, and eventually everyone notices. Your mind works much the same way. Every time you repeat a positive intention, you're strengthening a mental pathway. You're reinforcing a new identity. You're becoming more aware of opportunities you might have overlooked before. You're making decisions that align with your goals instead of your fears. That's where the transformation begins. People often report feeling calmer, more focused, more motivated, more optimistic. And when those qualities become part of your daily life, your actions naturally begin to change. The opportunities you notice change. The conversations you have change. The confidence you project changes. Those changes can create real world results over time. The important thing is choosing an intention that genuinely matters to you, not something someone else wants, not something society tells you to chase, something meaningful. Because when your intention has emotional weight behind it, you're much more likely to remain committed. Another mistake people make is obsessing over when their desire will happen. Instead of trusting the process, they constantly check whether it's working. Ironically, that anxiety often distracts them from taking meaningful action. The people who seem to get the most out of this practice don't just write, they act. They become more intentional. They notice opportunities. They speak differently. They carry themselves differently. Their daily behavior begins matching the future they're trying to create. That's why many describe the method as more than manifestation. They describe it as mental conditioning, a way of training your thoughts before life trains them for you. Whether your goal is financial freedom, a healthier relationship, a successful business, or simply becoming more confident, the principle remains the same. Consistent attention influences consistent action, and consistent action creates long-term results. If you're curious about trying the 369 method, don't focus on perfection, focus on showing up. Make it part of your daily routine. Be patient, stay consistent, keep your intention clear, then allow your actions to support the future you're writing about, because no notebook can replace hard work, but a focused mind can completely change how you approach it. And perhaps that's why this simple routine continues to capture the attention of millions around the world. Not because it's magic, but because it reminds us that transformation often starts with the thoughts we choose to repeat every single day. If this message resonated with you, don't let it end here. Challenge yourself to stay consistent. Believe in the process. Keep your focus where you want your future to go, because every great achievement begins long before anyone else can see it. It begins inside your mind.